wet dry, and it just gives it a nice, natural, fresh look. All right, y'all, so we're gonna do some lash extensions today. So these are lash clusters. So I stopped getting lash extensions like individual lashes because my lashes was bald. They were bald, they took so long to grow back. I had to use a lash serum to grow my lashes in. So now that I have my lashes grown in, I am not trying to make them bald again. So lash clusters is like a temporary fix. This is something that you could do at home yourself. You don't need to go to the salon. This kit is under $20. It comes with the lashes, the glue, the remover, the sealed bond, all of that in this kit. Ooh, and this one has a spoolie in it. So yeah, what I like about these lashes is that they're very like natural. They're very natural, they're very thin. I'm not the type of girl that likes to do the most with my lashes. I'm more of like on the natural side of lashes and stuff like that. So this type of thing is like right up my way, wearing lash clusters. So the thing is, you can keep these on for a week, you can keep them on for a few days, you can take them off, so it just depends. But this is something easy that you can do at home yourself. First thing you want to do with lash clusters is get a lash curler, and you want to curl your eyelashes. You want to have them already up, you want to have them curled, you want to have them prepped. You don't want to have any like mascara or anything like that on it, because you're going to be putting the lash glue on. And one thing is important with the lash glue, you want to make sure your baseline is clean and doesn't have any oil or anything on there, because if you do, your lashes are not going to last as long. So you definitely need to make sure it's free of oil. So this one is waterproof, it's vegan, it's long lasting. So the lash clusters, I wash my face every day. So I wash my face with like soap water, like face wash, and they don't come off. So they're really good. They don't come off unless you want them to come off. So they last. But like I said, this is more of a temporary thing than getting individual lashes. So I don't wear lashes every single day. So this is the seal and the bond. The bond is your lash glue. It's like a lightweight glue. Show you right here. It's like this. It comes on like a little mascara looking stick like that. And then the seal is just like a sealant just to hold the lashes in place. And this is just like this. After you curl your lashes, you want to take your lash bond, which is the glue, and you're gonna put it right on the base of your lashes. And just on the base, you're not gonna put this on like it's mascara, because it's not. And the whole thing is gonna be sticky and gooey, and it's not gonna last. So you wanna make sure that you just put this on the base of your lash and not like mascara. So because my eyes are hooded, I like to do more of like a doll lash mat. And a doll lash mat means that in the middle of my lashes, the middle is gonna be the longest length of my lashes, and that's gonna open my eye out. I can't do like a cat eye or anything like that because it doesn't look right on me. So the first length I'm gonna start with is 12. Now you can just pop these on like that. So I'm gonna start with 12. I'm gonna go to 14, and this is gonna give me that natural look. Now you also can stack these lashes up if you want to have like really thick, full lashes. I just don't, because I just like my lashes more natural. So 12, 14, then I'm gonna go to 16. This 16 is pretty long. And what I like is that these just go right on. Like, they just go right on. 16, and then I'm gonna go back down to 14, because you don't need a whole lot of these. I'm almost done with my lashes. 14. 14, and then I'm going to end with 12. So I was like, I went up and then I went right back down. So that's simple to put on. Then you take your lash tweezer thing and just press it onto your lashes so that they can stay. Oops, that one came off. Press too hard. You can also do that after you seal. I don't know why I don't do that after I seal, so it could dry. But this is what happens when you get lash glue on the thing. That's why I say make sure you keep the lash glue on the base of your lashes, because that will happen right there. It gets stuck. So that's one. Let me fix this, because now this one feel like it's dragging. Alright, that's better. After you finish with that, you put your seal on underneath like this, and you just let it dry. So this really gives like a nice full effect. I think lashes, you know, it makes your makeup, it makes everything look good. So then I'm gonna go on and do my other eye. Make sure I put it on the base of my lash and not all up like mascara. I'm gonna start with the 12 again. And if you have to, make sure you clean your tweezers off so that they're not sticky, so that you can put your stuff on right. Start with the 12. And once you get good, you can just kind of like place these on. And then, like I said, you can also layer these. I just don't like that real thick look. 12, 14, and then I'm doing 16 as my longest lip. Now you can look up online all different types of styles that you could do that's going to suit your lashes. I remember when I first got my lashes done, the girl did them, I hated them. And then I went to somebody and I used to be like, I want like a cat eye, and she was like, that's not gonna look right on your eyes. And I didn't understand at the time, but it's because I have hooded eyes and you need a certain type of style on hooded eyes. Is this style, is the dial lash map and a natural lash map, and then some other lash map that will look right wispy, like wispy natural. But other than that, the other stuff is just not, it doesn't look good. So the length in the middle really opens up the eye. And then that's that right there. So press it into your lashes like that. And you gotta make sure you wipe this off. And then I'm gonna put my lash seal on and let that dry. And it just gives it a nice, natural, fresh look, doesn't it? So yeah, like I said, this is the style that works for me. You can see it's like more in the middle, but it opens up my eyes. So if I had a cat eye, it would just make my eyes look more droopy than what they already are. So I like to get my mascara and I will do my bottom lashes. I don't know if I did that right. But anyway, I put a little bit on my bottom lashes just to give it. I should put an eyeliner on. I think that'll make it look a little bit better. Let me tell y'all something. It's hard to do videos on your cell phone. I'm gonna link these so that you can get these lash clusters. So cute, so super easy. They stay on, they don't come off. You can make them last up to a week if you want to, I take them off like after 2 days because I just don't be liking a bunch of stuff on my eyes, and I really like to like deep cleanse my face. But they can last up to a week. And like I said, you can also stack these as well if you like that real thick look. I just don't care for that thick look. So let me know how you like these. Let me know if you try it out at home, if you do your own lashes. Definitely let me know how you like it. Make sure you like, share the channel, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.